Yo, what's up, guys? And today, it is actually snowing out, and today is like a vlog, but it's gonna be at night. It's like a nighttime vlog. I never actually did that before, but it's pretty cool, and I'm just gonna do it. And so we're about to walk outside. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, guys, you're currently outside, and so I just want to tell you guys this. It's Saturday night right now, and the snowstorm started at Friday night, and it's supposed to end tomorrow morning. So it's been snowing for like 25 hours. It's gonna stop about 7 hours or something. And this is currently the snowstorm, and it is just a whiteout right here. Like, it's nighttime. It's like 10:30 right now. You can just see everything, and it's still snowing. Guys can't see that, but there's light right there, but it's still snowing out. And look at this. They predicted 18 to 24 feet. So I guess this is a 2016 blizzard. It is just. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how sparkly the snow is. It's like 10:30 at night. I already said that, sorry. But it's just so white out. It's just like it's a white out, dude. My gosh. Okay, so my foot. So ready? It's gonna be me stepping in the snow. That is up to my pants. Now that was like 15 inches about. But the storm's not even done, and tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go sledding down that big hill over there. Whew. Okay, over there is probably like 2 feet. At least like 20 inches. Okay, guys, and that is gonna be it for the vlog. I just wanted to share with you guys 2016 blizzard, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.